welcome back to Oils with Lynn. Today I want to talk about something that's incredibly close to my heart, and that's children's health and using essential oils with kids. If you're a mom, you already know this, but caring for our children involves so much more than just physical health. It's emotional health, mental well-being, and helping them feel safe, supported, and calm in a world that feels big and uncertain. When our kids are little, health concerns can range from things that are irritating and exhausting, like diaper rash, crying, or colic, to issues that can quickly feel scary if they aren't addressed, like ear infections or strep throat or croup. And once our kids start socializing outside the home, whether that's church, school, sports, or play dates, exposure to bacteria, viruses just becomes part of life. Their immune systems are still developing, so they can be more susceptible. And as moms, that can feel overwhelming. And just like adults, children have mental and emotional health needs. They experience stress, fear, sadness, frustration, and anger, even if they don't yet have the words to explain what they're feeling. Many parents, myself included, often we felt poorly equipped with the knowledge or tools to truly support our kids through all of this. I remember this so clearly as a new mother. I loved my kids more than anything, but didn't feel confident that I knew what to do beyond just the basics. We really are learning as parents as we go. It can be incredibly difficult and frustrating to feel like you have limited resources when your child is struggling. One of the beautiful things about children is that they are especially responsive to aroma and healthy touch. Simply smelling an essential oil or having it gently applied with a simple massage can be incredibly comforting to a child. I've seen firsthand how quickly it can support changes in mood, behavior, and responsiveness during difficult moments. One of my favorite ways that I've used essential oils on my kids is topically. Nighttime is a wonderful time to use essential oils on your kids. As you put them to bed, I encourage you to add essential oils to your bedtime routine. You can rub oils on their feet and over their back. I love how this little routine deepened our connection. Those quiet moments created a safe space for my kids. They were more likely to open up and share about their day. Sometimes they even talked about things that they weren't quite ready to share earlier in the day. That nightly ritual quickly became one of my favorite times of the day. The kids began to look forward to bedtime, not just for sleep, but for that special one-on-one connection that we shared. My favorite essential oils to use at night are lavender, or a blend called Calmer, to help calm their bodies and minds so they can fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. I also recommend using On Guard Touch, or this kids blend, it's called Stronger, to support their immune systems and help their bodies heal and repair while they sleep. There are so many real-life situations where a room full of children, all in different moods and circumstances, will have a nearly universal positive response when essential oils are diffused into the air. Their outlook softens, their bodies relax, their emotions settle. Most children naturally love essential oils, and many seem to intuitively know what they need. They respond easily when given the opportunity to discover their favorite oils and be part of their own care. Now, I always want to say this clearly. Medical care is important and absolutely advised when needed. But there are so many situations in the home where natural solutions can be used as a first line of defense. Parents know their children better than anyone else. You have insights into what's normal for them and when something feels off. It's incredibly empowering to have a few natural wellness basics in your home that can help support the body and emotions early on. doTERRA's Kids Collection is such a gift. It's one I believe every parent should have on hand. It's designed to support kids through so many everyday situations, and it really takes the guesswork out of knowing what to use. I didn't go into details about every oil in the kids' collection here, but what I love most is that each blend is already perfectly formulated and safely diluted in easy-to-use roller bottles for topical application. This kit supports kids when they need help focusing during study or homework time with Thinker. It's settling their bodies and minds at rest time with Calmer, and supporting their immune systems with Stronger. It's wonderful for soothing bumps, bruises, and everyday aches with Rescuer, and helping calm and comfort kids when they're feeling nervous or anxious with Steady, and giving the boost of confidence or courage, whether it's the start of the day or in those challenging moments, with Brave. One of my favorite details is that when you purchase the full kids collection, it comes with this pouch and then these fun little carabiners that let you clip the rollers right onto the kids' backpack. So it makes them easy to access when they're at school, activities, or away from home. And it gives kids a sense of independence, knowing they have support with them wherever they go. This collection is such a great way to feel prepared for whatever comes up, giving your kids natural support right when they need it most. If you'd like to grab this kit for your family, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. Teaching kids self-care at a young age creates an environment where they can grow into confident, balanced individuals. I've seen this in my own kids. Essential oils offer a simple, natural way to introduce that concept. When they're paired with kid-friendly supplements and a healthy diet and good lifestyle habits, you're laying a foundation that can positively impact their health for decades. I'm especially grateful that my kids were raised on essential oils as part of daily life. Now, as some of them are growing into young adults now, they know how to care for themselves naturally, whether it's something physical or something emotional. Giving them tools that they can use at the very beginning of an issue has helped us avoid problems from escalating. It's also saved our family a tremendous amount of stress, time, and money by addressing things early rather than waiting until they become more severe. This is one of the biggest reasons I'm so passionate about helping parents find affordable, natural solutions for their family's health and home life without worrying about toxins or unnecessary side effects from drugs. I hope this YouTube channel continues to be a resource and encouragement for your family. And if you'd like a simple place to start, I created a free guide called Mom's Guide to Essential Oils. It's designed to help you feel confident using essential oils safely, effectively with your kids. You'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for being here and for everything you do for your family. Take care. We'll talk again real soon.